Do you have issues with constipation, gastritis, or respiratory diseases? What if I told you that there is a tasty juice that can help you with these things? Did you know that red cabbage and apple juice can help you? Let's learn about the benefits of this mixture and how to make it. Red cabbage is rich in vitamins and fiber that improve digestion and gut flora and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Also, red cabbage contains antioxidants that reduce the absorption of cholesterol by the body. And if these benefits weren't enough already, it is also rich in antioxidants that prevent diseases and skin spots, contributing to weight loss and dietary re-education. Apple has antioxidants that fight off free radicals. In addition to this, regular consumption of apples facilitates blood circulation, regulating blood pressure. This combination fights and prevents many problems, such as constipation, help with gastritis treatment, avoids cavities, fights anxiety, prevents respiratory diseases, and strengthens the bones. Write down the ingredients. 1/3 cup red cabbage, 1 apple, 1 lemon, ginger, a piece approximately 1 inch, 17 ounces of water. Thoroughly wash the ingredients as both the lemon and apple will be used unpeeled. If you can get organic ingredients, it will be even better. Slice the fruits, ginger, peeled, and cabbage leaves and put everything in a blender. Add the water and blend until smooth. Strain and drink right away to prevent the juice from losing essential nutrients. Use this juice to replace sodas and artificial juices that don't bring any benefit to your health. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.